How do I know if my car needs synthetic oil? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now the term needs, I suppose, is a relative term. If you want to know what your car needs, especially for warranty purposes and stuff, then you need to look at your owner's manual and you need to check with the manufacturer. So what I'm telling you today is my opinion. My opinion is that just about any car in the past couple of decades should use synthetic oil. We have a lot of very small components. One of the primary things we have is variable cam timing in most vehicles. And there's some very small parts in here. They're oil operated. They have valves that operate them. And so synthetic oil is very helpful to extend the life of those things. And a lot of cars are requiring it. But synthetic oil tends to stand up to the heat better, which in Maricopa County, Arizona, where we're at, that's a big deal because we had, 32 days of straight over 110 degrees. So that's my opinion. Find a place that has a good price on a synthetic oil change, and at the end of the day, I think it'll be worth it to you. I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.